Part 2. It's 10-9. Jason's team is in the lead. Up to 15.
Wait, time out. Oh, this kid right on the court.
Brian almost. Pass to Eddie. Eddie pass back. Pass back. Brian wants to.
That was a good play.
Jason has the ball. Passes to Brandon. Brandon goes for a 2. Oh. Brian gets rebound. Eddie passes to Daniel. Daniel shoots it. Brian gets rebound. Ah, Brian missed. Brandon gets rebound. Brandon goes for it, and he got it in. Nice one. That's 11. 11-9. 9-11. Art's wide open. Oh, but he goes for 1. He misses. Oh, Brian gets it. Daniel has the ball. Pass to Brian. Brian's a 3-point shooter now. Oh, Jay goes for a 2. Oh, Jay gets the rebound. Nice, Jay. Oh, nice pass. Brandon's wide open too. Daniel gets rebound. 9-11. Passes to Brian. Nice. Art, take it. Oh, Jay gets rebound. Brandon has. Daniel drives it in. Oh, nice. Oh, Brian gets it. Daniel has the ball. 9-11. Daniel's team is down by 2. Can they make a comeback? With a 2-pointer. Jason has the rebound. Jason just needs 4 points. Art with what a move, but he misses. Daniel passes to Brian. Brian shoots it. Oh, Eddie with the rebound. And pass back. And Brian goes for it again. Art gets it. Passes to Jason. Jason with the pass to Art. Art hits out. Brian has the ball. Brian passes to Eddie. Eddie shoots it, but he misses. But he gets a rebound and he makes it. Eddie got 10 points. 10-11. Daniel shoots it. Rebound. Brian. And he got it. That's 13. 13-11.
We're up, right?
Yeah.
Wait, we're up by 1. We're up by 1.
No, he made the point, so you were only down by 1, and then you made it 2.
Okay. He made 1. So it's 13. Oh, and he made 1.
Yeah, 13. That's why 13-11. You guys are up by 2.
Yeah, we're up. Okay, we're up 2. Makes sense. Remember all 3-1 lead?
Eddie has a point. Passes to Brian. Oh.
Play defense.
He let it go out. They take back the lead, 13-11. Can Jason fix that? 13 up? Yeah, he did. 13 up. Jason is coming back. Pass to Jay. Brandon wants to finish it. And he did. 15.
He shoots with one hand.
What a game. That was 15 to 13.